Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HSBC for credit card online access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the HSBC website. Once the home page loads, look for the login section. If you already have an HSBC online account, you can log in. For first-time users, locate the option that says register or sign up. Click on the registration link to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. This typically includes your name, date of birth, and contact details. Provide your HSBC account number or credit card number as requested. Next, you will need to create a secure password. Ensure your password meets the required criteria for security purposes. After setting your password, confirm it by entering it again. You may also be asked to answer security questions for account verification. Once you've completed the personal information and password sections, review your entries. Make sure all information is accurate before moving forward. Locate the button that says Continue or Next and click on it. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS for added security. Check your email or phone for that code. Enter the verification code in the designated field on the website. After successfully entering the code, you can proceed to complete your registration. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your account setup. Once completed, you will typically see a confirmation message. Now, you can return to the login section of the HSBC website. Enter your username or account number and your new password. Click Login to access your account online. You have now successfully registered for online credit card access with HSBC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.